Getting live.
Hi everyone! Wait a second. Yes, I was saying, hi everyone! Online gamer. And we are gaming in PvP hide and seek. Wait a second. This is my first video I will gaming hide and seek. What a Jake. I don't... Wait a second. I fix this. Wait a second. Why in these things? What the mother's fudges is this? Can see, wait a second. Yes, I was saying, we are gaming in PvP beta. This is hide and seek, you see? Block hunt. Now, let's play. What the? Oh, shit. Let's play that game. Wait a second. Sorry about that. The server's crashing. Now, this is playing. We are gonna be... Oh, that's so me. Oh, we are... Why? Wait a second. What the? We are pumpkin right now? Oh, okay. Let's go. Hans is gonna be begin in 1 second now. Wait. Uh, please don't kill me. What? Yes, we are solid blocks. You see that? See? Now, let's play. This server is so lag. Oh, what's that? There's the hunters, 16 blocks and 3 hunters. Oh yeah, this is so fun. This is my first time gonna be video the... Ah! That's so sick! Ah! I'm the pumpkin. Oh, what the? What the? Why lagging? Why the lags is going on here? Wait a second. Server is crash. This is my all games. See? Broken legs, quick up. This is in PvP. In PvP. In PvP Nova Beta. That was the hide and seek. Like this. Broken lens, hide and seek. And mini box PE Bed Wars 1. And this is the pretty cool server, Network Games Alpha. And Pinoy Crap, this is my Pinoy Crap. Now, let's game. Why this is so lag? Wait a second, you will see my password. Why, what's you doing, Harry Potter? You a big bad girl. Wait a second. Harry Potter, she want to see my password. Please no, don't lag. Oh, what the? What the? This is what the? Why lagging? Oh, there. Now, what's pumpkin is? Oh, we against pumpkin. Why? Oh, wow. I have a pretty cool. Please, I'm a solid blocks right now. Please don't see me anymore. Uh-oh, Hunters is gonna be beginning. Why I don't be a solid like that? What? What? Harry Potter you say? I'm a so funny. You are, yeah, we are gonna be solid. You are gonna be killing me. Kidding me? You are gonna be, these arms gonna be yours. Face. Oh, Harry Potter is a girl. Sorry about that. Harry Potter is gonna be a boy. Just a joke. Hmm. You will see my first intro. Just as Steve, not me. Sorry about that. Hmm. This gunpowder. Ito, soul rock launcher. What the? Soul launcher. Oh. Now, where is she?
This is hunters.
There. You see that? Why is this lagging? You see? Why this is lagging? Oh, go away. Go away. Wait a second. Why lags? Oh, we are hunters. Ah! Oh, not we are not hunters. Now let's. Oh, we're gonna be killed right now. Oh, please again, solid blocks, please, please, please. Me get. Oh yes, we are solid blocks. That was a soul hunter. Shoo, we are four hearts. No, no. Please don't kill me. Oh shit. Oh, mouse fudges, why is lagging? Why? Don't lag. Why? Why don't lag? Please, please, don't kill me. Don't lag. Oh, wait a second. Wait. Oh, you see? Why is slow lag? You see that? Oh, this is my first time to go in here. Ah, let's. What the heck? Why is slow lag? Let's kill these people. Oh, we are gonna be killed. Shoot. Now let's go around right there in this pumpkin. What is? Why so lag? Ah, we are solid blocks. Why is so lag? Shay. We are gonna be killing by that. Please, that's us a 40 seconds. We are solid blocks right now. What? We are not solid blocks right now. What the heck? Please, solid blocks. Oh, we're gonna be see. Ah, yeah, this is the first gun. What the? What is? Oh,
Say by yourself.
we are hunters right now. Why? Why is that I'm the solid blocks right now? Why? 2 blocks. Please, please, see, please, please. This is a speed potion. A speed sugar.
Oh.
What the? Blocks win. Why? Blocks win. Play again, wait a second. Sorry. Sorry about that. That's for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget it. Leave, like, and subscribe. Bye. I'm gonna be play against this or the broken lens hide and seek. Please comment me and don't forget it. Bye. See you later, guys.